Shadow node. Doesn't have collision, does it? Nope. Probably the easiest way to get a torus with correct collision then is to open up Blunder. Collision. Is a collision checkbox built into it? Okay. There's a use collision. Okay. So now. Okay. In one of my other games, they had like a loop, like it was sort of a basketball hoop type thing. So maybe it's 7. Let's make that. Let's scale these both up to 8 then. And that looks like a passable basketball hoop. I'm just gonna make this CSG Source friends with it, and then let's make that bigger. Is that too big? I'm not sure. There's no current way to actually win here, but oh, yeah. What happened to that one? I think that we can agree that if you get in the basketball hoop, you win. Okay. I'm gonna double the speed of the messages. 0.5, 10. What? 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 Something's going weird here. I don't know what. Any idea on that? I've heard that Godot's physics can be not amazing, so maybe that's what's up. Okay, yeah, this is still incredibly easy. But I'm stuck. Collection shape, mesh instance. Maybe we'll be a ball this time. Maybe that'll be more fun. New mesh. New Mr. Shape. Make the mesh instance orange. That looks about right. Script. Don't need anything in the ready function. And see how that works. Oh gosh darn, it's a sphere, so it. Oh, but no, because this is fun because the text knocks you around more because it like. Yeah, okay. There was remember there was a way to do this. Basically, to make spheres work correctly. So basically, if I jump, no problem, the camera is able to follow. But if I spin, you can see that the camera spins with me, which is kind of not really what I want. And so I remember there was a tutorial that was like, here's how to like make the camera. I'll just find the video, it's easier. The way this is doing it, and then I'm just gonna copy this, is there's a like the thing that the camera is a child of a thing that's a child of the rigid body, and the middle part like messes with the messes with how it works to the extent that it doesn't make you sick. And this is a good O3 thing, so there's a comment down below that says, okay, position 3D is marker 3D, so we need one of those. Child node marker 3D. Now we'll just make the camera shot with that.
The code. Now, if we run our game, we'll see that our ball is rolling when we press the buttons, but the camera is rolling along with it. Let's fix this. Camera rig node is a child of the ball node, so as the ball spins, the camera inherits all of its transformations and spins along with it. We want the camera rig's rotation to be independent of the ball, but we want its position to stay in the center of the ball as it moves. To accomplish the first part, we will use set as top level function. It will tell the camera rig to ignore the ball's transformations.
Okay. Looks easy enough to do. Okay. Oh. That's your issue? Okay, yeah. And now that should... What? Top level is true. Why are you unhappy? Invalid. Oh, okay, I need to... Okay, let's try that. Yep, and now you can see that the... Well, my movement is still wired up that. So we can fix that. Okay. So this is hard to see on stream because I'm not exactly broadcasting my keyboard, but my movement script is wired up backwards, so we're going to fix that. Okay, is that... Oh, wait, no. Right, Y. That's good. Okay, UI right. UI left. UI up. Down. Those are backwards. What level is the game right now? But might want to add some friction. Yeah, it definitely needs to.
Global transform.origin represents the global position of the ball. Camera rig.globaltransform.origin represents the global position of the camera rig. Every frame of the game, we will move the camera rig into the center of the ball, so as the ball moves, it keeps dragging.
Okay, let's see how that works in my game. Oh, what? Oh, we're so close.